Yeah, how many?
See one of your mom?
How many of me are there?
One or two?
One, or two, or three, or four. Is that all? Are you sure? Say what? Alright, get your face out of your feet and sit back up. Alright. Now one.
Like that.
Yeah, lay down, darling. Now come on. There you go. What's up, Miss Giggle Britches?
This is better than any comedy show I've seen on TV in a long time.
Yup.
I haven't laughed like this in a long time.
So what's your name? Your name is
Can't remember your name?
You're putting up a hard fight, but I think the medicine's winning.